look at it. They don't want us to coexist harmoniously. They want to disrupt. If you take away the word get hard on gangs, get tough on gangs, and replace it with get hard on Māori, get tough on Māori, that's exactly what they're doing to us. Because when you see mainstream media about gangs, who is it that they're targeting? You don't see, it's always Indigenous gangs that you see in that. They are profiling us, and they can't come out and say, they can't come out and say overtly racist that they're targeting Māori, but that's exactly what it is that they're doing. It doesn't matter what legislation they throw at us. It makes no difference. And then you look at, a part of that was that they were also going to try and take away gang tattoos as well. But gang tattoos and pāmoko and moko kauai and moko kānohi are too closely connected. And there would be no difference to that in the 1907 Tohunga Suppression Act.